Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Side Dental Vlogs and today I'm going to speak about a very important topic. So yesterday I had made a video about BDS examinations. I had told कि in the examinations, like right now it is very difficult to conduct the examinations by the universities, but yet some universities are giving dates and times for the examination. They are telling the students to come back from their native places. But right now it is not possible. I feel, according to me, that will increase the tension among the parents, that will increase the stress among the students, and the percentage with which they will give the exam, like जितने जोर से और मेहनत से वो एग्जाम पहले या बाद में दे सकते थे, right now they won't be able to give exam to their fullest, right? I think you understood what I'm trying to say, कि हम full concentration के साथ एक डर से एग्जाम लिखेंगे. That is the thing. तो अब see, this final year examinations is very important for your entire career. So I'll just give you one small example, then we'll come to the topic. So when I was called for my West Bengal Dental Health Service interview, they didn't ask me any kind of questions. उन्होंने मुझे कुछ भी question ऐसे नहीं पूछा कि जो interview related हो. They just asked me few questions like what is ameloblastoma, define and types of ameloblastoma. ये 3 question पूछे थे. Then they all started asking me about where do I stay and what does like my father do and all these things. So I got selected in that exam, जिसका मैंने पहले भी वीडियो बनाया था कि why I left my government job. So I got selected in that exam and basically I came to know later that they all see your total final year, first year, third year marks, and basically they concentrate on final year marks. So now I think you have got the point कि अगर फाइनल ईयर्स में मार्क्स आपके कम आए, एवरेज मार्किंग अगर हो गई एंड यू आर अ वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट, वॉट एवर इट इज, then what happens is कि your overall marks reduces and at the later stages when this corona will not be there, you may have problems in getting jobs because your overall score will decrease. So right now what I feel, the exam should not be conducted, but each and every student should be promoted to the next year. And whenever the situation gets okay, the teachers and the students should make sure the exams will happen and whatever like if you go to the final year and again you flunk, then it's not like that you will again come back to the third year, right? So it will be a very difficult situation actually. I don't know how the universities or the government will work it out, but for the final years particularly I want to make this topic. And this final year में काफ़ी लोगों ने मुझसे पूछा कि सर हम जब फाइनल एग्जाम लेके हम क्या इंटर्नशिप में प्रमोट हो जाएंगे, एंड व्हेन हम इंटर्नशिप प्रमोट हो जाएंगे अगर हम बाई चांस फेल हो गए तो कैन वी विल बी बैक इन आवर फाइनल ईयर्स. So this is the thing right now which is many people are doubting. See, for first year, second year, third year, this is gonna be like this will work fine. But for final years, I feel the exams will be conducted as soon as possible. It's better to delay the exam by 6 months or 7 months. जी हाँ, अभी this 2020 is very difficult for people, for interns who are coming, whose internship is running or who are in final years, because see, even if you become intern, अगर आपको हम ऐसे ही पास भी कर देते हैं या फिर यूनिवर्सिटी जस्ट पासेस यू, जस्ट एक फॉर्मेलिटी का एग्जाम होगा, even if you become intern now, your internship will start, but this corona is not going to reduce, right? So what will happen, you won't get any work in your internship, you won't get any cases, you won't be able to see patients, you're not allowed to see patients, only the faculty and staff will see patients. So in the end it will be at you will be at great loss. So better to be at loss now. You get time to read and develop your skills, knowledge and get good marks. That will help you to gain good job in the near future, and then do the internship when the corona time is not there. So you will get few cases. अगर अभी आपका internship चालू हो जाता है तो प्रॉब्लम तो होगी, केसेस नहीं मिलेंगे, सारी दिक्कतें वगैरह आएंगी. तो फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकेंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर एंड फाइनल ईयर का एग्जाम होना चाहिए कंडक्ट, आई फील नवंबर दिसंबर में या जनवरी में, not in August or September, because all the parents are very tense now, because I get many calls from our college students, parents also, regarding the examinations and all. So this is the thing right now. For the PGs, all the examinations are being conducted online and they have to work on dummies. So I think if your college is having PG, you must be well versed, क्योंकि अभी PG के एग्जाम सब चल रहे हैं. तो फाइनल ईयर डोंट वरी, 8 सब्जेक्ट्स हैं. एंड मैनी पीपल आर आस्किंग मी, सर हमारे कॉलेज में जो एग्जाम हो रहे हैं एक के बाद एक हो रहे हैं, हमको कोई गैप नहीं मिल रहा है. तो देखिए हमारे टाइम पे भी हमको गैप नहीं मिलता था, हमारा एग्जाम एक के दिन हर रोज होता रहता था एंड वी वर रियली स्ट्रेस्ड आउट. आई नो राइट नाउ द मेंटालिटी इज to be less stressed and give the exams, but the college authorities can be requested to give at least 1 day or 2 days gap between each and every exam. That will be better for the students. So जो भी है आप अच्छे से पढ़ें. फाइनल ईयर्स के पर्टिकुलर जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके लिए पर्टिकुलरली मैंने ये वीडियो बनाया है और जितना हो सके. अब देखिए अगर एक बैच में 100 पीपल आर देयर, राइट, सो द एग्जाम्स कैन बी कंडक्टेड इन ग्रुप्स लाइक 10 के ग्रुप्स में exams can be conducted and practical will also be conducted online. So this is the thing now कि first year, second year, third year की exam करने की अब भी कोई जरूरत नहीं है. Let them get promoted, let them attend their regular classes, and after that for the final years the exam can be conducted in total isolation. But the problem is that कि सब लोग वापस आएंगे अपने अपने घरों से जो जहाँ रहता है, तो that is gonna be a very tough and difficult situation. Right now the lockdown is extending in many states, like in Bangalore it's a hotspot now, Hyderabad it's a hotspot now, and Pune it's a hotspot now. So there are so many colleges in Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, as well as in Odisha now. For the next 15 days from now there are no patients, as you can see, and all the area has been sealed and the police is very strict nowadays. So this is the thing with the current situation. I hope you all are fine and you be safe at home. And if you have any query, please do message me in Instagram sai_dental. तो मेरा सुंदर सा मुखड़ा आपको उसमें नजर आ जाएगा और उस लाल वाले बटन को जरूर एक एयर रोटर फेंक के मारिए और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर दीजिएगा जाने से पहले, और एक लाइक जरूर दीजिएगा इस वीडियो को, क्योंकि यार काफी मेहनत लगती है, काफी टाइम निकालना पड़ता है वीडियोस बनाने के लिए, और पर्टिकुलरली आप लोगों के लिए जो डिमांड होती है. और वीडियोस बनाना कोई आसान काम नहीं है, ऐसे बोलना इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर इट, व्हाट यू हैव टू स्पीक एंड ऑल. सो एक लाइक तो बनता है एटलीस्ट. हैव अ वेरी ग्रेट डे एंड बी सेफ. टेक केयर. जय हिंद.